In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who unsubscribed on Convertkit. Whether you're a seasoned email marketer or just getting started with your first campaign, keeping track of those who unsubscribe is an essential part of email list management. So, let's get you informed and up to speed with this simple process. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to the Convertkit website. This is your hub for all things related to your email marketing campaigns, so bookmark it if you haven't already. Once you're on the website, you'll need to either log in or register for an account if you haven't yet signed up. Just follow the prompts on the homepage to get signed in or set up. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the subscribers page. Here, you'll find a wealth of information about your audience, but we're going to focus specifically on handling unsubscribes today. Click on the Unsubscribes tab to view the overall unsubscribe data. This section is crucial as it gives you an overview of who has decided to leave your email list. The information here can be a valuable resource for understanding how your content is being received. In this dashboard, you'll come across a graph that visually represents how many subscribers chose each reason for opting out. This data is more than just numbers, it's feedback. Understanding these reasons can help you refine your content strategy and better cater to your audience's interests and needs. If you're interested in seeing the specific individuals who have unsubscribed, head over to the Broadcast Reports page. Start by clicking on Recipients. This will provide a detailed list of those who received your broadcasts and who among them has unsubscribed. This step is particularly useful for evaluating the performance and impact of individual emails or campaigns. For those of you using sequences in your email marketing strategy, there's an additional step to help you stay on top of your unsubscribed audience. On the Sequence Reporting page, look for the Unsubscribes link located on the right sidebar. A simple click here will reveal who unsubscribed from that particular sequence. This insight is especially helpful for fine-tuning your email sequences and ensuring that your content remains engaging and relevant to your subscribers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll not only gain a better understanding of who has unsubscribed, but also gather insights into how you can enhance your email marketing strategies moving forward. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable email marketing tips and tutorials.